Hi, my name is Cheryl. I'm from the Lodi branch of the Medina County District Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew t-shirt bag. This is a great recycling project as we can reuse and repurpose an old t-shirt instead of sending it to the landfill into a versatile bag for everyday use. It'll be great for library books, shopping, or a day at the beach. You can either use a long sleeve shirt or a short sleeve shirt. It doesn't matter since we'll be cutting the sleeves off anyway. The size of your shirt is going to determine the width and the depth of your bag. Today I'm using a lady's medium size shirt. Let's get started. So using a marker, I'm going to draw a line just on the inside of the seam on each of the sleeves. That's where I'm going to make the cut. Then next, to make the top of the bag or the opening of the bag, I'm going to draw a line just right around the collar. Now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut on that black line. Be sure to cut through both layers of the fabric. We'll repeat for the second side as well. Okay, straighten it out a little bit. And I'm going to make the last cut for the opening of the bag, right along our marking point here. Okay, our cuts are made. Now I'm going to take the shirt and turn it right side out. I'm going to lay it flat on a hard surface. And the next thing you're going to do is determine how long you want your bag. I like a shorter bag since the items I put in it are going to stretch out the fabric. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it and cut about 4 inches off straight across the bottom of the shirt. Okay, and now to make the fringe part. You're going to take your scissors, you're going to cut about a 1-inch strip long enough so that we're able to tie knots. We're going to do this all the way across the bottom. Be sure to cut through both layers of fabric. Goofed up on that last piece, so I'm just going to cut it off because it doesn't matter. It's just going to be the fringe part. One last cut. Okay, we have all the strips cut. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the front from the back fabric. I'm going to tie it into a knot. That's going to make the closing part of our bag. I'm going to repeat this all along the bottom until all the strips are tied into a knot. Be sure to pull it tight. I'm going to go back and cut that side seam there so we can have a tie knot at the end as well. I like the fringes hanging at the end. Just going to continue knotting until all the strips of fabric are nice and tight. Last one. And now your t-shirt tote is finished. It's a great recycling project. It's ready to use. It's machine washable and comes in handy making a trip to the library. Thank you for watching.